Hello Buttercups, this time we're going to read a story about a car. I'm going to visit Granny because I know lots of you love cars. It's called Beep Beep. We're all going to visit Granny in this lovely yellow car. Brum brum through the town. Vroom vroom. All along the busy road. I can see lots of cars. A yellow car. I bet you know all these colours. Blue, red. You tell me which colours they are. And white. I bet you knew all those colours. Jug jug. Across the zebra crossing. That's what we use to cross the road. Stop! The traffic light is red. Whee! Down the hill. Beep beep. Hello, Granny. They made it to Granny's house. And that's the end.